What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having an awesome day today. So let's wait to hold on. So we're pretty much going to be doing a little bit of a trading course for you guys here today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Before we do that, I have to post it in the group chat here for the trading members to get notified here. So let's do that real quick before I start. All right, so Discord. That's the stock bot. Let's go to day trading here. All right, let's post that in here. At everyone. Whoops. All right, enter. So I hope everybody's having an awesome day. If you guys want to join this, it should be down in the description for you guys. So you guys are more than welcome to join the team here. All right, so let's dive right into the course so we can start. Alrighty, guys. All right, so we're going to be talking about momentum day trading. So momentum is very, very important, especially when you begin to trade. You're going to be looking for stocks with high volatility and some sort of momentum, whether it's going up or down. You really don't want to trade stocks that are kind of consolidating, just because they often don't work out as much. The patterns aren't as clean, but we'll get into that here in a minute. So let's move on to the next slide. So momentum. It's pretty much how traders take advantage of short-term price action. And that's different from swing traders, because swing traders want stocks, they want momentum, but they want that momentum over the course of a week or 2 weeks. But as day traders, you want stocks with high momentum in a certain day. So that's very, very important. You always have to keep that in mind. You want stocks with higher volume, unusual volume, because those tend to, have the more potential for those profits. All right, so what causes momentum? When I first started trading, this was my difficult time. This is where I had a difficult time. I didn't realize, stocks had all these, big, approvals for, kind of some sort of catalyst here. But so let's look at this slide here. So momentum traders are focused on trading volatile stocks in a short period of time. We are interested in new catalysts that can cause a stock to break out or break down. Some examples are FDA approvals, earnings report that are good or bad. Then you have mergers or buyouts. Mergers and buyouts, they can be kind of more of a riskier play, just because if your stock's getting bought out, often the stock price is already set. So if that's, say, Amazon's buying out, let's just give an example, Apple, let's say, they would say, okay, so Apple's going to be set at $200. So the stock may have a huge jump, but if you hop in when the market opens, you're most likely going to lose money or just pretty much break even. So I kind of, tend to stay away from those. But management changes, that's kind of a big one. Stocks that are, or companies that are run poorly and they get a new CEO or new board members, that can drastically change the price of a stock there. But stock splits, I've talked about this one before. This is where you can get a stock that goes from 36 cents to around $5 or $8. Pretty much what they do is they, say, okay, let's say they're offering 100 million shares, for the public to buy or invest or trade. Now they come out and they say, okay, we're going to only offer, 10 million shares compared to 100. It'll drive that demand of stock up, and people will definitely make money who are holding it, but oftentimes those are kind of risky as well. And then you have a contract win or loss, so that's pretty important there too. But all right, hold on a sec. Let's make sure we are good on YouTube. All right. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, you guys can shoot them in the chat room. That will be cool. All right. Volume. So volume is very, very important. It's kind of piggybacking off some sort of catalyst, because people want to buy a stock that is, has some sort of good news, or is pretty much just doing very well. So the goal of momentum trading is to get in and out of positions within the same day. In order to do this, you have to make sure that there's enough buyers and sellers. Therefore, it's important to focus primarily on stocks that have higher volume. This allows us to get in and out of trades with ease. Let's delete that there. But yeah, so volume's very crucial, because if you're buying, a stock, and let's say there's not a lot of, buyers, often you'll have difficulty buying that stock or selling it if there's just not enough people. So very important. You don't want to trade stocks that have light volume. You want stocks with most likely above average, is always a good way to look at it. But yeah, so volume is very important. As you guys can see, once you started seeing that volume, we had these huge spikes, and then as the red candlesticks start to take over, they definitely started to pump back down. So very important, volume. Understand it. And relative volume, the difference between relative volume and volume. Relative volume is pretty much the demand for that stock. So just so you guys know, because I talk about relative volume for swing trading a lot. So just so you guys know. All right, let's move on. Pre-market gappers. So my strategy that I talk about a lot, whether it's in the group chat, sorry guys, whether it's in the group chat, I don't know what that was, some sort of Amazon program sent me an email, but all right, so whether it's, oh my goodness, whether I'm talking about, the gap and go setup in the group chat, or I'm talking about it on, YouTube, pre-market gappers is the way I find stocks, just because they have more volatility, and often, a lot of traders will jump on it, so it will already have some sort of catalyst and some sort of unusual volume. So I always keep that in mind. This stock right here is, up right here. This is the percent, so that's 30%. So this stock most likely had some sort of news or some sort of stock split or something. Something's going on where a lot more traders are starting to look at this and want to buy it. So, any stock that's over 4% often already has some sort of, catalyst for it. So you guys can always keep that in mind. I use Trade Ideas Gap Scanner. Very, very good. If you guys want to get a discount on that, you guys can join the trading group chat, and I'll send you guys a direct message for that. All right, trading community. Trading community is very important. This definitely will help that learning curve for new traders. When you begin trading, you don't know what's going on all the time. But if you have 50 or 60 people that are 100% motivated for trading, you'll have a better success, just because you'll be surrounded by motivated and entrepreneur type individuals. So just keep that in mind, you guys. I'll put that in the link down below, or I will send it in the chat right now. Hold on. But yeah, so I use Discord just because they offer screen share, and I am doing private, stock market coaching. So I sent out the whatever it's called, that link, and you guys can join it. So trading community, very important. If you guys have any questions, we do have stock bots, and we do have other different people, and that call out stocks, and you guys can look up popular stocks here. I can pull it up for you guys. So here it is. You know, I called out that I was going live today. So if you guys are watching me that are in the, you know, group chat, you know, thanks for joining in. But, you know, we do have a stock bot right here that, you know, you can look up the chart, you can look up the ticker name, the quote. I use it actually a lot, but yeah, so that'll be if you guys want to join. It's all good if you do, if not, you know. But that's it though. So if you guys have any questions, you know, you guys are more than welcome to shoot me a comment right now. You know, so pretty much that's it though. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I will greatly appreciate it. So that's it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care.